हाय मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। ये पर्टिकुलर वीडियो होगा आपका 2021-22 एग्जाम्स को अभी की कंडीशन में हम कैसे प्रिपेयर करें। यस, सो आई एम टॉकिंग हियर अबाउट 2021-22 नेफ्ट, एनआईडी, नाटा, यूसीड, मैनेजमेंट लॉ। इसमें से कोई भी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम आप देने वाले हैं तो लुकिंग एट द करंट सिचुएशन लाइक कोविड-19 विच इज गोइंग ऑन एंड नियर अबाउट ये ईयर में उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे प्रिपरेशन होगा, हम क्या आपको हेल्प करेंगे। सो दैट विल डिस्कस इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो एंड इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड मेक श्योर you write here in the comment box because this is gonna be the first video. If you want me to make the video, I'll make in series which will help you to if you are writing the exam next year or next to next year. So आपके जो भी क्वेश्चंस है, क्या बुक यूज करूं, कई सारे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, कैसे तैयारी करूं, कैरियर क्या होता है, what is the career, which book I should prefer, how to do preparation, all these things if you have in a mind. And parallelly if you are a +2 or +1 or 10th student, so along with your +2 how you will prepare. If you are doing a job and you are writing a master exam तो कैसे तैयारी करेंगे. If you are aiming for IIT UCEED or IIT SEED तो उसके लिए क्या सिलेबस और कंटेंट होगा. In fact for all this exam, keeping in mind of NID, NIFT, UCEED, NATA, so अगले साल जैन में जो भी एग्जाम होने हैं, जेई पेपर 2 स्पेशली दैट आई एम टारगेटिंग राइट नाउ, और मे बी द अनदर 6 months how you will prepare, what you should do it. It is very important to evolve and change as per the time. What I see in the current situation is mentally we are still not ready. The moment lockdown is getting over और things are normal, हम रोड पे आ जाते हैं, हमें लगता है सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो गया. बट ऐसा नहीं है. वी ऑल नो इन द सिचुएशन, द करेंट सिचुएशन इज टेलिंग अस टू अडॉप्ट and work for yourself, because मुझे लगता है personally we gonna miss this time particularly more than anything in our life in after few years, because this is the time where we can increase our knowledge. This is the time where we can work on ourselves to improve and develop some skill, something in us. So how I am working on properly on my routine and my daily work. So I have many example which I'll take you through slowly. So if you guys are interested, make sure you write here in the comment box if you are taking interest. Obviously I will talk about that also. Now नेक्स्ट ईयर एग्जाम के लिए हम आपको क्या देंगे, कैसे होगा, हाउ इट इज. सो आई एम मेकिंग इट क्लियर इज हियर. द वन थिंग इज for next year entrance exam we are providing a 1 week free class. 1 week free class. There is a Google link over here which you need to go and register. The moment you will register, soon the team will contact you, and whenever we are starting a next batch the team will let you know. So week free class will give you idea about how the course is, curriculum, that means entrance exam. It is more than anything what you are, if you are preparing also somewhere, because this is not only about your exam preparation, exam, college life, industry life. Because why we have to understand all these three, the end of the goal is what you want to be, how you are looking your career, where you want to see yourself, you want to become a fashion designer, product designer, graphic designer, management guy, lawyer, whatever, you want to see. So that is also need to understand जो career कहाँ है, क्या करना. और especially in this current situation which we are having right now, the COVID situation, इस situation में तो और भी जानना जरूरी है हमें. उस हिसाब से हमें प्लान करना है, उस हिसाब से हमें अपने आप का फ्लो बना के चलना है. So that all we'll discuss. If you want to know more and more about it, again I would like right here this particular things also will make a one separate video and discuss with you. Well, so that link which we'll share you, through that you can access our classes online, you can attend our mock papers, and there are so many things which would be helpful. But the entire scenario is not just about the preparation, it is more than that. The current situation, we have to take care of ourselves, family, we have to stay calm and composed. Happiness is around us is very important. We should be happy. The mental health which the people are keep talking is very important. So we decided to give you the counseling guideline. So any queries, any question, any personal things which you are not able to share with, and you find we are the one you want to share with us, make sure you write here, or else you can contact right here #help. We will help you for sure. Or with Ignite India due respect, you can contact on our Ignite India Instagram page. There also, and my Insta is Krishna E2D. So guys, for what you are waiting for. We are coming with all this soon, like, and I'll start one by one each exams ka video series also. Before that, if you want me to continue, the next series will be exam, like, how should be your pattern of the classes. So let me know if you are interested. We will make sure that we'll do it in next video. Meanwhile, you register for the class and session free, which will give you the broader aspects by our expert in detail about it. Well, so if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And right next to that is bell icon. That is very important. Make sure you press the bell icon so that you will watch these video in continuous series. Thank you so much. Have a good day.